In today's fast-paced world, the concept of financial health has never been more critical. As we navigate through 2024, we're faced with a unique set of economic challenges and opportunities. From the fluctuating job market to the ever-changing landscape of investments and inflation rates that seem to have a mind of their own, understanding and managing your finances has become a vital skill for securing your future. Did you know that, as of the latest reports, nearly 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, with the economic shifts of the past year exacerbating this situation for many? This statistic isn't just a number, it's a reflection of the real struggles that people face every day in trying to make ends meet and plan for the future. Imagine this. You're at the grocery store, scanning the prices, and realizing that your budget is tighter than you thought, thanks to unexpected expenses that popped up this month. Or picture the peace of mind you'd feel knowing that, should your car break down or a medical emergency arise, you have an emergency fund to cover those expenses without derailing your financial stability. These scenarios aren't just hypothetical, they're everyday realities for millions. But here's the good news. By taking control of your financial life through informed decisions, you can navigate these challenges more effectively. This conversation isn't about high-level economic theories. It's about practical, actionable strategies that can make a real difference in your life. As we delve into the 5 ways to improve your financial life in 2024, remember, this journey is personal. Whether you're looking to create a budget that truly works for you, save for an emergency, invest in your future, reduce debt, or continuously educate yourself on personal finance, the goal is to empower you with knowledge and tools that resonate with your unique situation. Let's embark on this journey together, making informed decisions that pave the way to a more secure and prosperous future. Creating a budget that genuinely works for you is the cornerstone of sound financial management. With the digital age in full swing, 2024 has brought an array of tools and apps designed to make budgeting easier and more accessible than ever before. Yet, despite these advancements, a staggering 65% of Americans still don't maintain a budget, according to a recent survey. This isn't just a statistic. It's a wake-up call highlighting the gap between available resources and their utilization. Imagine sitting down at your kitchen table, receipts and salary slips in hand, trying to make sense of where your money goes each month. It's overwhelming, right? Now, picture instead that you have a personalized budget, one that accounts for your fixed expenses like rent and utilities, while also flexibly adapting the variable costs such as groceries and entertainment. This isn't a pipe dream, it's entirely achievable with the right approach. Let's break it down. The process starts with identifying all your income sources, not just your primary paycheck, but also any side hustles, freelance work, or passive income streams. Next, categorize your expenses, starting with the essentials, fixed costs, and then moving to discretionary spending, variable costs. The trick here is not just to track, but to understand your spending habits and recognize areas where adjustments can lead to significant savings. Consider John, a graphic designer who realized he was spending an astonishing 30% of his income on dining out and takeaways. By setting a budget and tracking his expenses, John managed to cut that spending in half, redirecting those savings towards his emergency fund and retirement account. John's story is a testament to the power of a well-crafted budget. Creating a budget isn't about restricting your lifestyle. It's about empowering yourself to make informed decisions with your money. Whether it's choosing between dining out and cooking at home, or between a luxury vacation and a more modest getaway, a budget gives you the clarity to prioritize your financial goals and the discipline to achieve them. Remember, a budget that works for you is one that reflects your values, goals, and lifestyle, turning the daunting task of financial management into a personalized roadmap to financial freedom. In the unpredictable journey of life, an emergency fund acts as your financial safety net, ensuring you're prepared for whatever twists and turns come your way. As of 2024, reports indicate that a surprising 40% of Americans would struggle to cover an unexpected $400 expense without resorting to borrowing or selling possessions. This stark statistic underscores the critical importance of building and maintaining an emergency fund. Let's consider the story of Emily, a young professional who thought she had her financial life under control until her car broke down unexpectedly. Faced with a $600 repairable, Emily realized she had no choice but to put it on her credit card, leading to high interest and additional financial stress. This moment was a wake-up call for Emily to start her emergency fund. Building an emergency fund might seem daunting, but it's about taking small, manageable steps towards a larger goal. Financial experts recommend starting with a target of $1,000, eventually aiming to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund should be easily accessible, yet separate from your regular checking account to avoid the temptation of dipping into it for non-emergencies. For instance, you could set up a dedicated savings account that automatically receives a small portion of your paycheck each month. This out of sight, out of mind approach makes saving effortless. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that you have a buffer to handle life's unexpected events, like sudden job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent home repairs, without derailing your financial stability. Creating an emergency fund is not just about financial planning. It's about giving yourself the freedom to face the uncertainties of life with confidence. Whether it's starting with $5 or $50 a week, the key is consistency. Over time, you'll not only build a substantial emergency fund, but also develop the financial discipline that will benefit all areas of your personal finance journey. Investing in your future is not just about setting aside money. It's about making your money work for you. With the landscape of personal finance continually evolving, the opportunities for investment in 2024 are more diverse and accessible than ever before. Yet, a recent survey revealed that a staggering 45% of Americans feel they don't have enough money to invest, and another 20% are unsure where to even begin. These figures highlight a significant gap in financial education and the perceived barriers to entering the investment world. Let's dive into the story of Alex, a school teacher who believed investing was reserved for the wealthy. By learning about low-cost index funds and the power of compound interest, Alex started investing with just $50 a month. Over time, this small monthly investment grew significantly, illustrating that you don't need a large income to build wealth. You need a plan and the discipline to stick to it. In 2024, technology has democratized investing, with apps and platforms offering the ability to invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and even cryptocurrencies with just a few taps on your smartphone. These tools have made it easier than ever to diversify your portfolio and minimize risk, even for beginners with limited funds. Financial experts suggest starting with a clear goal, whether it's saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or building an education fund. Then consider your risk tolerance and investment timeline. The key is to start as early as possible, allowing your investments more time to grow through the magic of compounding interest. Imagine looking back a decade from now and seeing how your consistent, modest investments have grown. This isn't just about securing your financial future. It's about creating options and opportunities for yourself and your loved ones. Whether you're a novice or have some experience, the journey to investing in your future begins with that first step, armed with knowledge and a commitment to your financial well-being. Reducing debt and improving your credit score are critical steps towards financial freedom and stability. In 2024, with consumer debt in the U.S. reaching an all-time high, the journey to becoming debt-free is more relevant than ever. Surprisingly, a study found that the average American has a credit card balance of over $6,000, highlighting the widespread challenge of managing and overcoming debt. Take the story of Maria, for example. After accumulating $10,000 in credit card debt with high interest rates, she felt overwhelmed and unsure where to start. By prioritizing her debts from highest to lowest interest rate and employing the avalanche method, Maria was able to pay off her debt more efficiently. Alongside this, she also took steps to improve her credit score by making regular, on-time payments and keeping her credit utilization low. Within 2 years, Maria not only cleared her debt, but also saw her credit score jump by over 100 points. The journey to reducing debt begins with understanding your total debt load and creating a strategic plan to tackle it. Whether it's through debt consolidation, the snowball method, or refinancing, the goal is to find a strategy that works for your financial situation. Improving your credit score is a parallel process that requires discipline and patience. Simple habits like setting up automatic payments to ensure you're never late, periodically checking your credit report for errors, and wisely managing credit utilization can have a significant impact. Remember, the road to financial health is a marathon, not a sprint. Reducing your debt and improving your credit score are achievable goals with the right approach and mindset. Every payment made on time and every dollar of debt paid down is a step closer to your financial goals, offering peace of mind and a more secure future. In the rapidly changing world of personal finance, continuous education is not just beneficial, It's essential. The landscape of financial products, investment opportunities, and economic conditions evolves constantly, making it crucial to stay informed. A recent survey revealed that nearly 78% of Americans wish they had more financial education, signaling a clear demand for better financial literacy. Let's talk about Sarah, a recent college graduate who felt overwhelmed by her student loans and the prospect of building her financial future. By dedicating time each week to learning about personal finance through online courses, podcasts, and financial blogs, Sarah not only learned how to manage her loans efficiently but also started investing in her retirement. Sarah's story illustrates the transformative power of financial education in turning apprehension into action. Continuous financial education can take many forms, from reading books and attending workshops to engaging with financial advisors. In 2024, technology has made learning more accessible than ever, with countless resources available at your fingertips. Whether you're exploring budgeting basics, the intricacies of the stock market, or the complexities of real estate investing, there's a resource out there for you. Moreover, engaging with a community of like-minded individuals can provide support and motivation. Online forums, social media groups, and local meetups offer opportunities to share experiences, ask questions, and receive guidance. The journey to financial wisdom is ongoing, with each step providing valuable lessons and insights. It's about empowering yourself to make informed decisions, understanding the risks and rewards, and ultimately, taking control of your financial destiny. Remember, financial education is not a destination but a journey, one that equips you with the tools to navigate the financial challenges and opportunities of life with confidence and competence. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.